This week on Avalanche in San Diego. Guys ride Santa Ysabel Trail west to east. And they like it. The Upper Santa Ysabel Truck Trail is a popular off-road destination near Ramona, California. The trail is approximately 15 miles long and offers a variety of terrain, from easy to challenging. There are also a number of scenic overlooks along the way, providing stunning views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. The trail begins at the Santa Ysabel Open Space Preserve and heads north through the hills. The first few miles of the trail are relatively easy, making it a good choice for beginner off-roaders.
Yes.
However, the trail soon becomes more challenging, with steeper hills and rougher terrain. There are also a number of obstacles along the way, such as large rocks and deep ruts. For experienced off-roaders, the Upper Santa Ysabel Truck Trail is a great place to test your skills. The trail offers a variety of challenges, from easy to medium. And the views from the scenic overlooks are well worth the drive. Santa Ysabel Creek is a major tributary of the San Diego River. As it flows near Ramona, it is separated into upper and lower branches by the Palmo Valley. The Upper Santa Ysabel Truck Trail is a segment of the Coast to Crest Trail that will extend from Vulcan Mountain to the ocean in Del Mar. The trail rises steadily about 700 feet up a ridge and through grassland first, then chaparral. At the crest of the ridge, Black Mountain Truck Trail splits off to the left while the Upper Santa Ysabel Truck Trail heads east.
Oh, and piece of steel. Big piece of steel.
See, that's the Black Mountain inside the cloud up there. And here's the Palmo Valley down the hill. And Orozco Ridge across. Yeah. And then we point that way, that's Ramona. It's 22. Yep.
I think
Somebody lost the wheel weight.
Yeah.
Good score. That's another wheel weight right there. People keep on losing them. More trash. We should do a cleanup here. Here's a treasure. All right. That is something right there. If the wheel is not balanced, they could add weights to balance it. If it's balanced, then it doesn't need any additional weights.
From here to Black Canyon, the truck trail undulates but remains substantially above the creek.
You know how old it is.
55.
A little further on, the trail passes into a tributary canyon where Engelmann's oaks and western sycamores provide welcome shade and a good place to rest.
I remember this.
In the 1880s, J.M. Woods bought land here with the idea of constructing a dam to provide water for agriculture. In 1925, the city of San Diego bought property in the valley with the same idea. In 1950, the city obtained a permit to build a 264-foot-high dam that would have converted Pomo Valley into a reservoir. However, in the 80s the EPA ruled against the dam. The city of San Diego continues to own the valley, but it is now part of the San Dieguito River Park and is leased to cattle ranchers.
That's a ball buster.
Oh, what's the... What does that do?
It busts balls.
Oh. Like, what does this mean? You think that's good?
On the Black Mountain. There is water here.
Oh, what? It's a lake. Oh yeah, I remember. This was one of the... What is so high? Should we go fast in this one like a lost? This actually looks so similar.
At 5 miles is Black Canyon, with its oak forest with lush riparian vegetation.
You think so?
A campground was here until it was destroyed by a flash flood and never rebuilt.
It's a creek.
Well, it started flooding here. And you think? So, where's the car?
It's a little bit up there. Hey, there's a car door here.
Huh?
There's a car door here.
Must be that car.
Yeah, probably. Let's be careful if there are any snakes here. Yep, this is a Mustang door. It's mint. Oh, there's a skull here. Come and see.
I know that.
No, come and see.
What?
Come and see the skull. Come this way.
Small skull. Guys,
This is a huge skull. What on earth is that?
why don't we open it up?
Ooh,
Ooh.
what on earth is this animal?
Wow. That's cool. That's our first time we've ever seen a skull. I remember I was in this side. And now it's not. Yeah, and remember?
Follow my footsteps here in case there are snakes. Oh,
Oh,
this has been stripped down even more since I last saw it.
since the last time I saw it. When was the
The
last-
engine is still there.
Can I see the engine? See the engine.
Yeah. Don't stick your feet down there in case there are snakes. It's mint.
Oh, I think I think someone put the door down. Let's check another side. That door. It's still good.
Okay, let's look out for snakes. Oh, the door is still here.
I know. Someone shot this
Yeah.
too. I don't think it's a house because it looks so small.
I think it's a lot of there, yellow jackets.
That is a house. What is that? A noise?
Yeah.
That's good.
Maybe somebody pooped their pants.
What? And where's the dog's eye? Oh, this is the house.
From here you can either end your drive or continue up the Sutherland Dam Road.
This is where the trail ends.
Yes.
That's where it ends.
Yes. Is there a place to stop here? There's the park.